Cotton Industry Baguio na under din sa Agriculture Department. And I would like to take this opportunity not just to welcome you, but also to thank you, to thank the BPI dahil po, mga kaibigan, they are doing researches kasi we are being challenged by a lot of things like marketing and so on and so forth, di ba? Like mga strawberry natin. Gusto natin yung pwedeng maibiyahe sa Manila na mag-preserve siya, hindi malanod sa kagad. So yun ang mga nire-research nila. And of course, to conserve yung mga variety na magaganda. And of course, isa rin doon yung taste nga ng strawberry. Gusto natin yung mas matamis na klase ng strawberry at lahat, pati mga pests na bumubuksa sa ating mga strawberry, yun, they are searching always para hindi sila humihinto po until they come up with the best variety. So, kung ano man yung ginagawa nila, well, they have the technology and ang result nun is kakabuti ng ating mga strawberry farmers. So, palakpakan po natin sila. And of course, ang laging department ng municipality ng Trinidad o the LGU ng Trinidad na laging nasa forefront, laging nagtatrabaho para sa mga activities natin, para sa mga tulong sa ating mga farmers, nagre-recommend sa municipality ng mga programs, projects, and activities para magkontuhan na ikakabuti ng ating mga farmers towards the Municipal Agriculture Office headed by Ma'am Nida Urgano. Palakpakan po natin. Kaya itong activity, yung office na naman nila, Ma'am Nida and her staff, ang nag-coordinate para po mangyari itong activity natin, and they have seen to it na magiging maganda ang ating activity today. So thank you very much. And of course, together with the Municipal Agriculture Office is of course the Municipal Agricultural Fisheries Council or yung MAPC na tinatawag po natin, headed by none other than Mr. Andy Curti. Napipilayan po ang ating Municipal Agriculture Office kung wala yung participation ng MAPC headed by Sir Andy Curti. Maraming salamat po na napakapunin natin sila. Of course, I would want to miss to recognize kasi sa bawat activity, of course, may nakadaan na funding from the municipal government, but of course, limited po yan. So we need sponsorships from other people, OPM. And I would like to acknowledge yung company ng Sulaid at saka yung gasolinahan natin dito sa Kenmore, headed by Ma'am Mary Jane Gakat. Meron po ba sa representatives ng Gakat here? Thank you very much for sponsoring yung mga ibang kailangan para mapatakbo itong activity natin. And of course, ang ating friends from the media, ang dami nila, oh. Ang ating friends from the media, nakaakibat natin din sa pagpapalaganap ng information. At nandito po sila kasi ibig sabihin ito, yung talagang nakakats nila, talagang nakukuha nila, yung nabibideo nila, napapakinggan nila, sinusulat nila, ay mga true, totoo na kaganapan, hindi po chismis. So maraming salamat sa ating friends from the media, and of course, also ang partner natin lagi, yung department, department, yung tourism office ng Municipality of La Trinidad, headed by Sir